Hey guys, good morning. Thank you for joining me today. I am Rinske Douna and this is my art channel. And I am in the new studio. As you probably see, it's different. So I'm working here on a new concept and a new technique. So in the meantime, I will show you some footage that I still shot in the old studio, like this huge pink flower. It's highly requested because I already showed it on my social media. It's a pink flower and I used brown and gold. It really made me work for it, but the end result, it's stunning. So let's get started. Okay guys, so I have for you an 80 by 80 canvas and I'm gonna cover it with white. And normally we would try to avoid a brown color in acrylic pouring, right? But today I am gonna use brown because it's lovely in some color combinations and especially with a light pink. Because I'm gonna use a light pink today. So I don't know why I started off like that. But this is not gonna cover the canvas, is it? Sometimes I'm so in my head thinking about the painting. So in the middle I keep it thicker and probably I will add just a little bit more white canvas so it can really flow. But here on the edges it's okay if it's not as thick, because when I spin it out it's gonna spread out in the middle and will be covered. I'm learning a lot with these spinning paintings and how I can do it the best. Well, it's nothing new that there's quite a lot of air bubbles once again. This is because I just mixed the paint and started pouring it right away. So if you don't want that, then mix your paint a day before and just let it sit for a day. Then mostly all air bubbles are gone. Okay, so this definitely needs to be enough paint on canvas to really let a small blowout flow big here. So what I will do is I will start with brown. And this brown has a little bit of a red hue, so that's beautiful with pinks. I'm going to use a primary magenta, then gold, and pour a light pink around this bottle. So not a lot of colors. Alright, well there's a lot of this light pink, but that's okay, that's okay. I'm gonna blow this out like this. Yeah, that brown with the soft pink is amazing. Mostly these flowers I blow out quite weird, really. And that's because it creates a more appealing composition than mostly. Okay, it's a huge patch of the gold here. Not the biggest fan of that, but hey, I'm gonna spin this. It's off center, definitely off center. That's okay. For one of my paintings that was off center was one of the best, I think. So yeah, let's spin this slowly first. Okay, so I do have some trouble with some things here. This part is gorgeous, but here the cells are totally distorted, and there as well, and here too, and that's probably because I'm using only water. So if that was not the case, then I would leave it, I think, right now, because I think the composition is super cool. But I want these cells gone here really. I really want them gone. So yeah, I need to spin this out more. Okay, those messy cells are gone. I got here a couple, but that's okay, in my opinion. Well, this is turning out to be lovely. I will tweak, just make it a little bit better, and these edges can be a little bit neater. You know what I love about these spin paintings is that they look like my Dutch pours that I did when I started out, but they're huge, massive. And that was like my ultimate goal at that time. So yeah, I am far from done with this. I can tell you that. Do you see the difference of what I did here? It's just super minimal, but for me, that makes a whole lot of difference. Also, this stage, I think I'm loving the best out of making these paintings is that I'm so happy with how the flow of the painting went, and I'm just gonna make it better, in my opinion then, and no, this is gonna work out great, and no, this worked out great. I think that's all for this painting. To be honest, you know, this I don't like that much, and this here as well, but I don't know if I should take that off, because there you have it a lot, here too, so it's quite imbalanced. Yeah, these colors work. This is one big love painting. All right, I'm perfectly happy. I'm gonna bring you up for the dried result. Okay, haha, funny story. I was super happy with this, but I'm looking at it again, and I'm not happy with it anymore. I need to do more, a lot more even. Oh, this is quite scary, what I'm gonna do, but yeah, I'm definitely gonna do it. I just need to feel a softer flow. This gives a softer flow there. Then this is so harsh here, so definitely gonna do quite a lot here. Composition changed tremendously here, but this is now so much softer. I'm gonna add the white and then let this dry. Oh, I'm really happy I started tweaking it again. This is done. I'm done. Close up.
it.